Hi everyone, Podnez here. In this video I'm going to show you backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you want to watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. Previous video we were trading somewhere around here, I think. Here, first of July, second and third. Price ended up taking this high by 20 cents. Yeah, 20 cents. Respected this one. So took a important liquidity, a strong high. Now you're looking for shorts. So I'll mark this as H4 balance fill. I'll mark that. And here I'll mark this POI as waiting for a reaction, H1. Also this imbalance fill, waiting for reaction. And I think that's it. We only short until tapping something here, or price is even gonna take this low. I don't know. To continue this bullish move, I think this low is the most important one. We already took everything from here, tapped something. Now give me a reaction. Maybe from here to go up, from here, I don't know which one is going to give the reaction, so you have to wait for M5. And that's it. That's the plan. Price can even only take this one and go. This is kind of a nice one, but this would be the best. This is the clearer one, you know, the most clear one. Okay, so let's keep on trying. So we took this. I think this is chalk on H1. Maybe this is chalk actually, because it came down, came down, came up, came down, came up. I think this one can be chalk. But the SMS already happened before the chalk. So I don't think this has, if price comes here and then creates an SMS and then drops, that would be better. But sometimes price creates the shift before the chalk. I don't know if I should short after taking this. I think I'll wait for A and 5 to be taken. Okay, never mind. Price ended up taking everything and coming to take this. Let's see if there was no, never mind. I'll not even check, because if I check it and there was a trade here, then I will try to do that every single time, and that's not the point. The point is to do the high probability ones. So we can't ignore that this is a nice liquidity to be taken from this leg. The only one, well, there is also this one. I think this is the most important of this leg. This is of the overall move. But I think this is the most important one of this leg, the current leg going up, this one. So we can, but we can't ignore the price. Can just take this one, which is very close. This one is very far, and just moves up. So we can't ignore that. That's a possibility to happen. But since we are very high in price, I will try to short and long here. So to short, here is my idea. This is an M5 chalk, which is also M5 manipulation to go down. So I need to find the POI. I can use this. Or this. I would like to see a balance fill. Would be better. Balance only on M5, M15 there is no imbalance. There is this one. Let's see how price develops here. So here's the first leg to, if I wanna long, I wanna wait for this to then long. I'm not trying to long here yet. This is valid, but I won't because I feel like it's not gonna work. Just took this out. This is very close. The first POI. I think I'd rather wait for this one. Like this rejection candle would be nice to short, but I don't wanna do it. If price comes here, then whatever. Okay. This was the right move. And now price is, well, like this. 1, 2. I could have longed already. I missed because I was focused on the long, on the short. Here was one trade. Probably wouldn't take this. Didn't give a nice candle. This rejection is black. If it was green, then it would be better. Why is it black? It doesn't change anything. I wanna see another manipulation. We tap this POI now. I wanna long from here. This is the POI still. Also gave him 5 manipulation. Well, took the manipulation. I wanted to long from here. The price tapped this. Didn't break the high. Coming back. Tap the beginning. I wanna see price taking this. I don't even wanna short here. I just wanna long now. What the fuck? High, still not broken. Okay, now it was. Price didn't came here, so whatever. Now price broke up. Here is the POI. There's also this little one inside. Manipulation. I think I will try this. No, I'll wait for price to close this gap. I ended up breaking it. This is M5, no? No, M5 is here. This is internal M5. Actually, M5 is here, then here, and here. No, this is correct. M5 is here. There is this imbalance to fulfill. Ignored it as well. So now the other trade idea is to value. I wanna see if price takes this. Okay, took it out. This candle not that great. Okay, this is a nice rejection. There is nothing else to feel here, no imbalances. This one looks good to me. Oh shit. Another engulfing. Oh, damn. Never mind, didn't work. Oh, there was this. I think I can do this on M5. I did not notice it before. No shit. Pressing that up. Stopping here instead of coming on the way here. Give her this leg. Took this. Tapped here. And this was EPY. to short since price stopped here. Price started delivering bearish. Yeah, this one was nice that I ignored, but this one ended up holding price. Okay. Now I have to find another POI. Okay, tapped here. I wanna see M5 going up. The price went straight down. I wanted to see a chalk here. Too long. There is no chalk. Maybe on M3. M3 chalk is here. I'll skip this. Have a so 1.5. Here was the chalk. Now price is going up. For this, move up. This is important. This was already taken. So now I have to look for longs. We tap the POI. M5 is bullish. On H1 there was this chalk, and H1 is also bullish. You can look for longs here. On M5, M5 manipulation. I see price stepping here. There's no POI to refine, only this extreme one. Price can go up from here already, but then my stop loss would be very huge. I'd have to cover the 50, I think. Yeah, for how much price is moving, this stop loss is very big. Oh, it's a little bit below. Now we tap this, we find the zone. Price even can come down to here. There is a nice imbalance open, or here. Price can go up here, then drop. There's also this on H4. I'm thinking maybe I should wait for M5 to start going up instead of trying to do direct entry here. If I do this, stop here, this looks good. Nice candle on M5. Let's see how it closes. Not a very nice now. We tapped here. Let's try. And now M5 is going up. Chalk. Second leg. Price has to come back here to long again. It's only going up. There's this huge gap, so it's inefficient. Only one leg up. Okay, price broke here. Now it's efficient. 1, 2. Didn't give any candle. Manipulated the 5. Maybe another entry here. Maybe like this. No, it enter here. Press just tap at the beginning. If this candle was better, then I could try, but here this is nothing, this candle. Another, oh, this is internal M5. No, actually it isn't. M5 was here, then came up, came down, M5 was here, now it came up, M5 is here. This manipulation kinda sketchy. I do not want to do this one. even though it worked. Now there was this one. Maybe like this. Yeah, sure. Seems like it's going to break out these equal lows. Now price is just fucked here, man. I don't want to trade this. Already 2 p.m. Wow. Oh shit, I passed too much. Price is now fucking around here a lot. Bitcoin likes to consolidate, not respect the M5. So all of this didn't change. But I want to wait for price to get out of this mess. Oh, now it go. We broke this. Let's see what price did here. If my stop loss was here, then this trade was fine. Okay, good to know. Oh, leave the trade there. Let's see if there's any other imbalance. Well, there's also this one, but I don't think price will go down. It can. We already went up, retraced. Now seems like price can only go up, creating the 1, 2, 3. But maybe we can also do this 1, 2, 3. You can't long here. This day is over. Okay, price ended up tapping here. Each one is bullish, each one inducement. There is this imbalance. M5, 1, 2. I can long here. 1, 2, 3. I can long, and this was a nice PY to short. I want to have this short here at least. Not a me. Huge candle up. Don't wanna do that one. Oh damn. If this candle was a little smaller, then I would have tried. But I don't think price will break this from here. It will only take these lows. Only M5 imbalance. M5 manipulation. M1 manipulation. I'll try to long here. Let's mark it. What the fuck? This didn't make price go up. Price ended up going down. Mitigating. Making short here. Manipulation. I thought this H1 inducement was going to be strong enough to make price go up even higher. Yeah, but I should have tried the short. Make short here. Nice PY. The only problem was the candle. Was Harami. But there was no liquidity here. Yeah, already 4R. And then here was on 5 manipulation again. but here the leg was 1, 2, maybe a stop loss here. Yeah, maybe stop loss here. Stop loss, RM5, broke, another POI. Maybe use this candle. Stop above. No, this I wouldn't try far. I think I would try here maybe. Let's see the 4R. And then here price just didn't retrace enough. Took this, took some highs, came up here. This long, this short I think it's okay. Just gave a reaction after taking this boss. Yeah, this was for R actually also. Yeah, and just like that I missed 8R here. Just because I didn't want to do this short because of the Harami. I need to change my mind around Harami because I got too afraid of it when I was doing the other way of trading. And as I said, when you are doing trades on the correct side that market is going, any kind of entry is valid. Okay, we came to the POI, H1 imbalance. Let's see what price gives. Now here, I don't wanna short because price is very bullish. Took out H1, tapped the POI. This ended up giving the reaction, so this was nice to mark. Ended up giving a reaction to the next imbalance. As I said, price moves from imbalances to imbalances. We stopped here, came up here, stopped here, came down. Now I'm expecting price to stop here or even at this one. I don't know. But since it stopped here, I wanna see it moves up, and I don't wanna short this one. This one was okay to short because this was not that strong of a liquidity. But yeah, actually, this was okay to long. This was just one, maybe 2 stop losses. Yeah, 2 stop losses. But if I had done all the shorts, this was 12 TP minus 2, 10 TP. Like, what the fuck? 2 stop losses, doesn't even matter. But you gotta do all the trades. So here ended up breaking again. Now here's the new M5. No way to trade this. Like pressing that up, tapping here. Yeah, it was a nice rejection, but now the idea is too long. If I miss shorts here because I don't wanna, because I only want to long, I think this is fine. Because when this happens on this pair, I can go trade another pair. It doesn't matter. This looks risky to me, shorting here when we tap this POI. So probably on XAU, Euro, GU, there's better trades to take. Broke. Fuck, I could have longed here. I missed. 1, 2. I probably was not going to get tagged in. I'll put my entry here. Maybe price will come back. Ended up coming back. Oh, almost took me out. Okay, no problem. It seems like price doesn't want to go up from here. Let's see what price gives here. Oh, it's already 1 p.m. This was 12:21. Whatever. Price ended up not respecting this. Tap this one below. Okay. See, you can't know which one will get tapped. You just have to place accordingly. Play accordingly. I ended up tapping this one. Now price is going up. So for this leg down, this is a nice liquidity. This one is also. But I'm looking for liquidities that can make price go down. This one is too low. Almost same as this one. I'll leave the higher one marked. Where was the M5? M5 was here. Broke from here to here. Broke, then it was here. So it's here actually. So this was the last M5. Now price is tapping this POI. I probably would have tried to long from here, since price is already down there. I can just mark it. Now, here price doesn't look that great. Probably I wouldn't try this live because Bitcoin is consolidating here again. We are longing very high in this leg. This one I'm trying just to have a trade. I feel like it doesn't look that great this long. But whatever. We tapped here. We are following this bullish leg. I don't want a long here. I think I'll just skip. Now we took this. Only give a small reaction. We are going up. Only one leg here. Now manipulated. Manipulation. Hit M1. This looks very risky. I can do this market. Oops. Okay, now I'm not long from here. What the fuck? Price ended up coming here, man. Holy. I didn't mark this because I thought price was too far. I should have marked it and only waited for this POI. But then price gave this gigantic candle. I wouldn't be able to trade that. Well, if price comes back here, then I am. But we took this, the liquidity that we marked here. Which one? This is the imbalance, and after that maybe something up here. I don't know. Wow, Bitcoin very tricky. Five. The way price is now is very fucked. I don't wanna trade this, but I'll try to force something. Took this. I only want to wait for here. Like here I have no idea where price can go, man. Okay, like right now there at least is a little some idea, then didn't work. I was thinking about shorting because we took this liquidity, but price ended up just compressing, and now we took this high. Price compressed, created a wedge here, broke. Took the high. Takes so long for Bitcoin to move. It takes the liquidity, then goes to the other side of the chart, take another liquidity. Now I wanna short here. No, price didn't give anything. Now if I short here, looks pretty bad. Well, this liquidity doesn't look that great. This one looks better. Actually, this one is the best one. This is all internal. Oh fuck it, let's try this short. If price gives the candle. Okay, gives. Manipulation to go up. Manipulation to go down. Internal. Price stepped here. Reaction. Broke here, broke here. This was mitigated. This confirmation entry doesn't look that great, so I won't try it. I can still short. Like right now, stop loss above this. And if it breaks higher, then it breaks. Well, already took this high. Price is so fucked, man. Oh, it's already two. Damn. Let's see what happened here. First I ended up taking this. Took that. Took this. Yeah, I don't know, my brain is not working anymore. We took some nice trades, but price takes a long time to develop something, and I'm not used to that. Euro and GU moves a lot better, man. Let's have a bigger look at each one. So the idea is still is valid and moved okay, very nice. The price moved from this prices here when we started, then we shorted until here, then we started to try to long, but price fucked around here so much, consolidated here, and then we tapped another area that we saw, H1 balance, then gave another reaction down. I thought price maybe could stop here, but ended up stopping on this one. Then here kinda consolidated, going up, and now we took the high finally. Let's see on M5. Here we only tried to long. Look at this movement, very ugly. And like here. And 5. Yeah, I could have tried any entry here with my stop above this was okay. Then price give them 5. This trade I couldn't take. Then it tapped here. When we started this day, this was 5 p.m. Yeah, this was just unlucky. There was nothing else to close here, but price ended up taking this and then going up. Like here I thought the price was going to go up from here, but then ended up fucking around so long. This drop happens 8 a.m. and then this move up 7 a.m. and this midnight. Oh, this day was nice, man. I fucked around here. M5 after tapping the high time frame POI. I lost 2 shorts that I should have taken. Yeah, those are nice shorts. Then here this long was okay because price was inside this POI, high time frame one. Ended up coming to the lower one. No way for me to know that. Oh, I forgot about this long. This long was nice. And then here I was just forcing trades. I knew that this one was a bad idea, but I tried anyways. I should have waited for this nice POI below. Don't know how I would enter here, but whatever. Then this was, I don't know, I think it was a little bit stupid because we took this liquidity. And oh, there was another day. Look at this ugly movement, holy shit. Yeah, and here even said that shorts look stupid because we took all of this liquidity. But there was no way to long here because M5 was only here. And then manipulated 5, 1, 2. I could have longed maybe here. And this was 3 p.m. Yeah, whatever. Let's finish this video and finish this month. Now it's kinda going up and down a lot, but that's okay. Now I'm in my win rate percentage that I usually use, around 20 something percent. Yeah, we need to get better. So that's it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.